Hey, hi everyone. Hope you're doing all well. Today we are going to start about the agents. Agents is a LangChain component which uses a LLM to determine the which actions to take and in what order. And getting into this statement, like in which action and in what order. For suppose we had take the one example, like you have the meetings and you given the agent that day before the day that I have the tomorrow meetings. You have to remind me and in the morning you given the evening's meeting schedule and in the evening you given the morning's meeting schedules of the tomorrow's meetings and agent itself decide which meeting needs to given first and in what order. It is like the prioritizing the order. The mornings should be given first, then evenings. It is the thing about it. There's nothing but the just example to demonstrate how agents will work. Here, the action is either calling a tool and observing its output or returning a response to the user. And getting into the flowchart, we'll see this along with the this flowchart, like flow of the methods. And input nothing but the user question. User asks the question and gives to the mode. Is mode nothing but the AI agent? And getting into the AI agent or agent mode, the first thing agent will do is go to the tool and it chooses a tool wisely. Like we have the three four tools, like have the calculator, have the weather report, have the web search. These three other tools. I asked the user asked the question like what is 10 plus 20. Then agent chooses the tool calculator because it calculates the methods like numbers and it gives. So it goes to the tools. It is action nothing but the choosing the tool. Then tool comes into the picture and tool execute the old task and it gives the observation to the agent. Like it gets the results. It gives the observation is nothing but the results. The results are given to the agent and agent gives the result to the user as the final response. It is all about the agent and the tools. And getting into the tool, what is tool? Tool is nothing but a function that can agent use to interact with external world. And for each tool there is a specific for purpose, like as earlier I said, like calculating or else performing web search or else giving the weather reports. It is like here we have the some more examples like web search, creating a database, and we can use for the database as or running the code. And agents decide when and how to use these tools based on the task and context. As earlier discussed in the example, when you ask it about the 10 plus 20, agent will decide which tool to use and how it to be used. For example, calculator is a tool and it is used like to calculating the task, like numbers, like the way it works. And getting into the tools, we have the two types of the tools, user defined and predefined. And getting into the predefined one, it is defined. We are using the methods directly without writing old function or old method code, and here we writing the code. Whenever we go with the example, we will learn it briefly about these two. And initially, I will explain the some predefined tools. This is the official documentation of LangChain, and we will see the some tools. Being search, which is paid version, and it is returns the URL snippet and title, and it is used for the URLs like searching thing. And Brave also same. Brave Chrome, like it is a Chrome version. It is a free for the using. And DuckDuckGo search, it is a famous thing. It is also used for the searching. Google search, Google server, and these are the things we have used. And we have the search API and Tavily Search, which is going to use today. And we have the search API also, and it is also search for the searches. And we have the some more tools like Amazon Bedrock, Agent Core Code Interpreter for the getting code, running the codes. And these are the some more code interpreters and some productivity like GitHub Toolkit. Gmail toolkit, Jira toolkit. These are also tools, and web browsing tools. These are, and we'll use the tools for the database also. These are the database tools, and some more about the finance, and it all about the tools. These are all the predefined tools. And getting into our example, and these are the versions we require to run the agents. And for the Tavily Search key, we use the API key. For the API key generation, we need to go into the Tavily API keys website, and download the we need to create the API key. I will provide the link for the Tavily API website to generate the key and initialize the LLM model. And coming to the here, it is about the user defined tools. For the user defined tools, we have the decorator called at the rate tool. Tool is a decorator, and it is like we are giving the calculator as a tool name, and I given the description like evaluate a mathematical expression and returning the results like eval expression, return the answer. If we found exceptions, return the error. And another user defined tool called weather, and I've given the fake weather tool for demo, and I've given these are the fake weather in the JSON format. Just for the sake of knowing, I've given this. And if you give either like if you give other than these three, you give weather data unavailable. And getting into the user defined thing, it is main important thing is a tool description. Whenever you call the agent, like whenever agent chooses a tool, it chooses the tool based on the agent description. Like sorry, tool description. Whenever agent searching for the tool, like what tool, which tool we have to do, it comes into the description, and based on the tool description only, it chooses a tool, like which tool we have to take. And these two are the user defined and the predefined Tavily search key. We using the Tavily search results, and we taking max 5 results and choosing which one is better from 5. And it is about the predefined, and it is about the user defined tools. I hope you get better understanding of the user and predefined tools. And I'm binding the all tools into the list name called tools, and getting into the prompts. I'm using the chart prompt template where I given the system like you are the intelligent AI assistant. You need to access the tools and tool links and use the tools whenever you require. I given the placeholders with the human as input, AI as agent scratchpad, and some message history also. And getting into the agent. It is the agent executor. We are initializing the agent through the method called initialize agent and providing tools to the agent and LLM, and I'm giving the agent type like chart zero short react description. It is nothing but it provide the reasoning before acting, and webhooks to get the what the action is going on, and the handling errors we I get the through. And getting into the here, initialize agent, create react agent. These two are the different types of agents. And react agent is nothing but it gives a reaction and it plays action and observation. Same thing done by the agent also, initialize agent also. But all things in the initialization agent is done automatically. When getting into the React agent, we need to provide that. And in the React agent, we need to provide the prompt, and we need to provide the tools, all like some more things. And getting into the like here, we have to provide the tools and prompts. These all things we need to provide. And for the initialize agent, we need to provide tools and LLMs. That's it. And it is about the initialization. In the initialize agent, we're not using the prompts. For the showcase how the prompts is used in the agents, for that I written the prompt, and we can use that prompt in the create react agent. And getting into the invocation, I'm giving the agent as input, like what is 15 into 5 and which team won in IPL 2025. I'm getting the final response. I'm printing the final response. And agent gives the old data, like how the agents are working and how it's taking the tools. And getting into the agent acts in the three ways, like it gives a reason and its observation and action. And getting into the thought and how it thought, like whenever you ask the what is a 15 into 5, it thought like the I need to calculate 15 into 5 and find out which team won the IPL. These are the things to do by the agent. And its action, like it taking the calculator as a tool. Earlier we discussed like what is 15 into 5. It is like the counting, like algorithm, like they are doing the multiplication, somewhat the related to the calculation part. So it takes a action as a calculator. It takes a tool as a calculator, and it gives the answer as a 75. And getting into second one, it like IPL 2025 winner, and it takes the Tavily Search key as a action like tool, and it provides the answer. And for this, we get the final answer is a 15 into 5 is 75, and Royal Challenge Bangalore RCB won trophy, IPL trophy in 2025. This is the final answer what we got, and it is all explanation how the agent has worked. And getting into stream, whenever getting into the stream, invocation and streaming both do same thing, like same work, but invocation give the whole response after completing the parsing, like processing. LLM gives the final response in the invocation. In the streaming, gives the step-by-step method, like it gives the answer. Whenever you ask the query to the ChatGPT, it gives a line by line or sentence by sentence, saying the way streaming works. And whenever you ask the what is 45 into 12 and what is the weather in Bangalore, and it gives a whole how the agents are working in the step by step way, like AI message, content, and all this stuff. And same way what we seen in the invoke method. And these are the new things we find in the streaming. And in the final we get the result of 45 into 12 is 540, and the weather in the Bangalore is 28 and cloudy. It is came from it is same from the calculator, and it is from the weather tool. It is how the agents work. Agents only autonomously chooses the tools and decide the which tool to use and gives a response. And hope you understand very well about the agents today. And it is the final topic in LangChain components, and we have completed the LangChain successfully. And hope you all understand very well. If you have any doubt, please post in the comment box. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. And please share the video or the channel to who enthusiasts about the AI and these concepts. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.